got you guys something inside. Oh, you're smart. You know to get out of the way so I can come in, or you're just scared. My other ladies blocked the way. You ready? It's your eggs that you made today. Hooray! Ready? Those are your little babies. Oh, you got it right in your poop. Sorry, I didn't clean your poops. I just got so excited. How's it feel, ladies? So I heard that you guys were making a big giant ruckus this morning that I slept through apparently. Keith just got home and said, yeah, he knew there were eggs because they were doing crazy egg song, like all of them. So I guess this means that you're all hens. Confirming for me that you are indeed, in fact, sex links. Fundraiser in the description. But we have some time. Guys, if it was other girls, that would have been gone by now. They're still figuring it out, I guess. Different dispositions. Look at this. Beautiful, pretty girl. Let's see. Katana, no. But Star gets squats. Happy days. All right, guys. Thank you so much for beautiful eggs. Okay, see you later.